Did you know that yawning might actually be your brain's way of cooling itself down? That's right. Scientists believe that when you yawn, you take in a big gulp of air to lower your brain's temperature, kind of like a built-in air conditioner. But here's where it gets weird. Yawning is super contagious. If you just saw or heard me say yawn, there's a good chance you're about to do it yourself. Even just thinking about yawning can make you yawn. Why? Some experts think it's an ancient survival trick. When one person yawns, it signals the whole group to wake up and stay alert. So, did I get you to yawn? Be honest. Like and subscribe for more!